Occupational therapy is one of healthcare's most meaningful, yet most misunderstood professions. Most people often see a physio, a doctor, and a nurse, but occupational therapists are the ones who help someone button their shirt again after a stroke, teach their child after a disability diagnosis. It's not about treating illness, it's about restoring life. Introducing the Diploma in Occupational Therapy, a QLS Level 3 endorsed CPD accredited course. This diploma won't make you a registered occupational therapist. What it will give you is the knowledge, the frameworks, and the professional foundation to enter this field with confidence. You'll build a deep understanding of anatomy and physiology, explore therapeutic approaches across every age group, learn to work with complex needs. Whether you're starting a career in health and social care, supporting people with disabilities, or simply following a calling you've had for years, this is where that journey grows. Enroll today and start learning what it means to restore someone's life.